Achieving optimum results from basic rations. That's the ultimate purpose of all forage technology. After all, the quality of meat and milk is a vital factor in the productivity of livestock farming. And high-quality silage and full exploitation of nutrients require an optimal chop quality. Only Big X offers a superior chop quality and maximum throughput. Krone Big X, exciting technology. Krone Big X is available in 4 different horsepower versions. A power band of 510 to 1020 horsepower provides farmers and contractors throughout the world with the precision chop forager that suits them best. Big X stands out for its extraordinary concept, its awesome dimensions and superior quality of chop. Its trademark is a smooth crop flow. All components of the chopping assembly interact as one integral system for a continuous flow. Big X, that's a superior design, a straight crop flow, a low power input per ton material, an optimal chop quality, added throughput, boosted productivity. Exclusive features of the Big X. Big X features as many as 6 large pre-compression feed rollers. 6 rollers suggest a high and absolutely uniform pre-compression. 6 rollers provide a supreme quality of cut. 6 rollers result in a crop flow that is twice as long from the metal detector to the knife cylinder. Chopping at its best. The enclosed Krone knife cylinder, 800 mm wide, 660 mm in diameter, up to 40 knives, mounted in a V-type arrangement. The benefit of this is permanent chopping action, as there is always a knife just passing the shear bar. Precise chopping lengths, thanks to the fact that the knife shear bar clearance is set to an accuracy of 10 mm. The massive knife cylinder operates at extremely uniform speeds, ensuring constant, high-level outputs, even in rapidly varying conditions. This is a Krone development, the biogas drum with as many as 40 knives to boost throughputs when chopping at short lengths. The new unit significantly expands the range of applications in which Big X precision chop foragers can be used. The biogas cylinder is a unique Krone design and is available on Big X only. Clean cuts, sharp knives, courtesy of the knife sharpening system. Chop length on the pre-compressing rollers is set steplessly and hydraulically. High throughputs, long chops. The 250 mm rolls in the corn conditioner ensure every kernel is cracked. Krone forage chopping quality. It's the results that count. Tight pour. The crop accelerator in the discharge chute makes for a tight pour of crop. The long delivery chute and a 6-meter unloading height ensure that every transport trailer is filled accurately. Big X has got what it takes. You can hear it. A consistent purr gives evidence of a constant flow of crops from the pre-compressing rollers to the crop accelerator. Massive power. All 4 Krone Big X models are powered by Mercedes-Benz engines. The power plant on Big X 500 is a 6-cylinder, 12.8-litre inline engine that delivers 510 horsepower. Big X V650 delivers 650 horsepower from a V engine with 8 cylinders and a 16-litre piston displacement. Big X 800 is powered by 2 engines, each generating its power from 6 cylinders and producing a combined output of 826 horsepower from a 20-litre cubic capacity. Big X 1000 boasts a 1020 horsepower engine. This is the world's most powerful forage harvester, built by Krone. Big X 1000 is powered by 2 6-cylinder inline engines, each generating 510 horsepower from a total of 25.6-litre capacity. Synchronizing 2 engines so that they start and stop independently of each other bears evidence of cutting-edge technology from Krone. The 2 engines are linked by a synchronized gearbox. The second engine is started or stopped by activating a clutch that makes the connection to this gearbox. All Big X foragers have their engines built in sideways. This means for Big X, optimum weight distribution, excellent accessibility, no turns in the powertrain, strong and dependable knife cylinder and crop accelerator get direct drive from an extra strong poly V belt. Massive tractive power, 4-wheel drive and large tires give high ground clearance and optimal traction, even in the most difficult crop conditions. The hydrostatic drive, with its 4 radial piston engines, ensure the machine can do things it could never achieve if powered by a regular engine. Tight turns, boosted productivity. Only Big X gives turning circles as tight as this. Big X, superior performance in the field. Absolutely smooth running on the road at 40 kilometers per hour. Big X offers 2 travel speeds. In road transport, the machine drives within a stepless speed range from 0 to 40 kilometers per hour with engine throttle control. Engine throttle control. When traveling on the road, the engine speed is automatically controlled relative to the power requirement and adjusted to the pre-selected ground speed and load. The advantage? Reduced fuel consumption and a lower noise level. In field work, the machine operates within a stepless speed band from 0 to 22 kilometers per hour. The engine delivers 100% of its power to produce high chopping throughputs in the field. Long working days, often deep into the night. Evidently, the operator environment has to be top-notch. To cater for operator needs, Krone developed its Command Vision Cab, a spacious operator cab that complies with the latest ergonomic insights. A superior panoramic view, a luxury construction, air conditioning, and a clear layout of controls. The Command Vision Cab is setting new standards of operator comfort. All machine functions are continuously monitored, controlled, and displayed for the driver. These turn night into day. 16 work lights spot on each and every detail. The joystick, Big X at fingertip control. Big X, the precision chop forager that gives outstanding quality of cut and ultimate throughputs, and providing supreme operator comfort at the same time. For example, on the headland, the automatic mirror function turns the chute as the machine is making the turn. Whole crop silage is gaining in importance as a feedstuff and as a fuel resource in the bioenergy industry. Krone developed the 6.2-meter X-disc direct header to cater for harvesting whole crop silage. This Krone development was designed for high outputs, no losses, and superior quality of chop. X-disc uses the Easy Cut disc cutter, which cuts the crop at superior quality. The 0.9-meter diameter auger feeds the crop to the intake area. Fitting and removing the X-disc is quick and easy. There is only one single drive shaft that powers the entire X-disc drive line. The X-disc header is transported on its own separate trailer for a safe and fast journey to the next site at 40 kilometers per hour. Seven hectares and up to 380 tons of maize per hour. Harvesting as many as 14 rows at a work width of 10.5 meters. Big X 1000 takes it in, thanks to Easy Collect 1053, a superior Krone development. Ingeniously straightforward in design and function, the variable row width Easy Collect maize header. It is available in 4 different versions and work widths. Easy Collect 6000 cuts 8 rows. Easy Collect 703 cuts 10 rows. Easy Collect 903 cuts 12 rows. And Easy Collect 1053 cuts 14 rows. The collector guides the stems along the knives, cuts and feeds them to the pre-compressing rollers. It goes without saying that Easy Collect also operates across rows, at working widths from 6 to 10.5 meters, depending on the specific version. Easy Collect gives an impressive performance in all conditions. Moving on to the next field. No problem with Krone. We have a surprisingly simple solution to prepare Easy Collect 703, Easy Collect 903 and Easy Collect 1053 for road transport. These headers are split into 3 sections. The outer sections simply fold up hydraulically, conveniently operated from the cab. Krone, superior farm machinery innovations. The Big X massive potential requires an equally massive pickup design, naturally from Krone. The Easy Flow pickup unit boasts hydraulic pivoting sensing wheels, hydraulic pivoting roller crop guard, hydraulic drive for stepless speed adjustment. Easy Flow by design is ingeniously simple. The highlight on Easy Flow is the special contours of the galvanized scrapers. A design that results in a consistent flow of crop as the tines retract.